Morning, folks. Right, now, considering the fact it's been raining during the night, I don't know if I made the right choice of vehicle here. Now, this is one that's been sitting in the house for a while. My original intention with this car had been to attempt racing on the cheap. It suffered a broadside hit by a four-wheel drive X-ray, snapped my rear hub, shattered the body shell, put me out of racing for a while. Now this might not work too well because it's extremely slick. Anyway, see if I can get up to speed with it. Very twitchy. This is a WLToys L303. Two-wheel drive, mid-motor. It doesn't work too well on the grass, as you can see. Trying to get traction down on wet pavement is not easy. Can't get up to full speed with this. Extremely difficult. What I will do is I'll come to here, turn down my yaw rates. Maybe able to track slightly straighter. Turning the yaw rates right down. You can't steer for toffee. Whoa, this is difficult. Turn my yaw rates back up slightly. Only on 2S. Whoops. Only a 3900 kV brushless. Very difficult to try. Straight. The grass is a little bit too long for it. Straight into a tree. And what we'll do is go and we'll try running on the road. Might have better luck up there. Trying to run on that pavement bit is just a little too awkward. I just hope I'm getting this in camera shot, because I really can't afford to take my eyes off. This at all. Not the easiest of cars to drive as this, especially one-handed. Easy driving them two-handed, but one-handed is not easy, especially when you need to adjust your steering as you go. Can't get up to full speed, not one-handed anyway. Oops. The other modification this has had is they've done away with what were the kit clutch plates, which basically just glorified washers, and replaced them with the clutch plates out of Kyosho RB6, which are a direct fit and 10 times the better fit. Right. I seriously think I didn't make a very good choice today. If I was driving this two-handed, it wouldn't have been a problem. But extremely tricky. Really not the right tyres for this weather. They're acting almost like slicks. Where's that on-off switch? Don't get me wrong, it's a nice enough little vehicle for messing about with. You probably could race with it. I was trying doing it, as I said, but on an indoor track it's really not, doesn't have enough throw, not compared to the likes of the RB6s, the RC10, B5, B6s, even B4 has a far better steering. Maybe just need a faster servo in it. That's my run for today. I'm not often seen WLToys buggy. Now when I bought this, I bought a second one purely just to use for spares. You might have problems trying to track one of these down now. Anyway, sorry this one wasn't quite as much fun. You can't one at all. Like, the difference between this and the standard is I actually have a B4 bump, an aftermarket B4 bumper mounted on the front, because what you see, that little plastic strip there, hang on, right, camera come in, that little plastic strip there in front of that metal plate is actually your kit bumper. Nothing protecting your A-arms. The B4 bumper only mounts with 2 screws out of the 4, but it does absorb quite a few hits. Battery mounts from underneath, and believe me, that's actually an extremely tricky thing to get open and closed. It comes with a 2500 mAh 2S battery. The size is extremely limited. You can't put full-size battery packs in there, so you're looking for all sorts of small ones like